What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bossco back again with another sneaker video. Hopefully you're having a great day wherever you are in the universe. Winding down the end of the year, maybe like 2 or 3 days left. Let me know how you guys gonna bring in the new year. Make sure you leave that in the comment section below. As you can see in front of me, we got some fire right here. Nike has blessed us this last month or so with some PEs that have been fire. Of course, they're all Nike. We have Kyrie and PG. I want to know your thoughts and opinions on each and every one of these shoes. Which PE do you guys like the most? And just let's, whatever you guys think about it, I want to know your feedback, of course. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell for updates on every single thing your boy Bossco drops. Without further ado, let's get into these shoes, you dig? Okay, first, before we actually start, I want to make sure if you guys are new to the channel, I have an individual video on each and every one of these shoes if you guys want to see a more elaborate talk about each shoe individually, so make sure you guys go ahead and check that out. But I don't know, man, these PEs have been dope. I'm glad that Nike has decided to give the public some PEs, some player edition sneakers, man. They're fire. They're definitely different from the norm. Let me know what you guys are feeling here, what you guys are not liking. We got Kyrie 4s, Kyrie 5s, PG 2.5s, and man, without further ado, let's just go ahead and dive into it, man. The first one I'll go to is this Nike Kyrie 4 Day of the Dead PE. Very dope shoe. He wore it during this season, actually. I think against OKC, I'm not too sure. Let me know what you guys are thinking about these shoes in the comment section below. That outsole is fire. It has multicolors going on here. And I love the zigzag pattern with the purple right there to match the purple lining around the shoe. The Kyrie 4 is a very dope basketball shoe, and you can even rock some of them for style. Just regular with some sweats or maybe some jeans. I haven't tried them on with jeans yet, but maybe some shorts or sweats. Let me know what you guys think about these. I like the detailing of them. This represents the Day of the Dead SB that dropped, I believe, in like 06, something like that, 2000. Yeah, 06, I think. Let me know in the comment section when them SBs drop. I'm forgetting. I'm drawing a blank right now. But the detailing of the shoes is fire. Kyrie loves skating and stuff like that, skateboarding rather. So, the Day of the Dead SBs is just something he pays homage to, because I guess he likes SBs a lot. I like the detail around the toe box, the little skeletons. I like the purple around the toe. I mean, everything about this PE right here I like, and I'm glad that they released it to us. Got there early, didn't have a hassle to get them. Not many people, I guess, knew they had them there. I don't know. I'm just glad I was able to get them. And definitely keeping these in my collection. The Kyrie 4 Day of the Dead. Let me know your thoughts and opinions on this shoe. Is this something that you have in your collection if you want it? Some places still have them. I know the Foot Locker Hollywood and Highland still has a couple of these shoes in stock, so if you're looking for them, you still have a chance to get them. Just gotta look around for them, you feel me? The next one I'll go to is what was right next to it, which is a Paul George, a PG 2.5. This is the Pendleton colorway, the PE that he wore. I forget what game it was when he wore it, but he wore these when they wore the city jerseys that they have for OKC. And I love this back panel right here. This Native American print on it, and it's like a wool. It's Pendleton. The wool is fire, man. And of course that like turquoise colorway, it pops. I'm sure it looks great on camera. The white outsole with the patch right there, resemblance of the print that's up here. Pretty dope, man. They got this quilted area on the tongue also. Mesh upper, navy blue, college navy on the strap. That makes it a little different, kind of offsets it, which matches. When the light is not on it right now, this is lighting up. This Nike check has 3M, which is like a Native American print on it, and it lights up. I'm sure the light is catching it. But when the light is off of it, this is navy blue to match the college navy. This is college navy to match the college navy on the strap. I like the pull tab, how it has some more of that Native American print, representing the Native American culture that is in OKC. This is one thing that it definitely pays homage to. This shoe is pretty dope. Let me know your thoughts and opinions on these in the comment section below. I believe they retailed at, what was it, 120? I'm drawing a blank on that. 120? Maybe, yeah, like 120 I think they retail. They normally are 110, but of course the PE is always gonna go up in the price. Next one we're gonna go to is, I'm gonna reach over here to my far left, your right. This bad boy right here, one of the most coveted PEs that was released. I think it was like the first one released out of the ones here. Yeah, it was. The Kyrie 5 Taco. Brought the Kyrie 5 out in a totally different way and really brought some hype to it. They had an early release. We can go around and try to catch the House of Hoop truck out here in LA, different locations for a chance to win them. Then they released them maybe a couple weeks later actually at the House of Hoops, which is where I got my hands on it. I love this bold Nike check that goes around the shoe. 3M on it, I'm sure the light is picking it up. The colorway is just fire. Everything about this Kyrie 5 is just dope. I wish and hope they bring this big Nike check back on more Kyrie 5s. Hopefully they keep coming with more PEs. Nike, if somebody from Nike is seeing this video, please bring us some more PEs. The public likes it. You know, general release PEs are dope. People will cop them. Even, you know, you guys raise the prices on them a little bit, it's still worth it. But let me know what you guys are feeling, or if you guys think these are fire or not. Let me know how you guys would rank these shoes also. That's another thing I want to know. I love that Taco PE Kyrie 5. That is definitely dope shoe. I'm glad they came out with it. And we're going to go all the way over here to my left, your far right, which is the PG 2.5 PlayStation. Now they released a PlayStation with the PG 2, I believe that's what it was. Then they came out with the PG 2.5 in the gray colorway, which I have a review of that. Those are no longer in my collection. I got them out of here because they were dope, but not really something I wanted to keep and hold on to. This right here, definitely staying in the collection. I love the like deep royal blue, the patent leather on the back panel, that's blue. You have the PlayStation button symbols represented all around the shoe. The lighting of this one is different from the gray version. The gray version, only the right shoe lit up on the tongue, and then the left shoe lit up on the inside of the shoe, very faint on the outside. Both of these shoes light up on the tongue. Let me actually just go ahead and do it, if the camera can even catch it. Both on the outside light up, which I think is dope. I'm glad they added that to it. They have maybe one more colorway of the PG 2.5 PlayStation, which is a white colorway. It's supposed to be super limited like the first one was with the PG 2.0, the black ones. But I'm kind of good on the PG PlayStation. I hope they get this. Of course, the final one, the white one is. I'll probably try to get that for a review, but I will not keep that because it's an all-white shoe. But I do want to bring it, try to compare and see what difference might be on that shoe compared to these. But these PG 2.5 PlayStations to me are definitely dope. I like the icy blue bottom. Some people say they don't like it because it turns colors and stuff like that. I understand that. But you know, you take care of your shoes, you can put sole protectors on there, or just stay on top of it, and you can avoid the yellowing or delay the process. And now there's so many different items out there, you can just go ahead and adjust it and fix that yourself, or pay somebody to do it. Go ahead and check on IG, you can find somebody to do that. So this blue colorway to me is just fire, and that's why I definitely had to cop this one. I love the midsole, also the midsole with the multicolored splatters all the way around it. It's just a dope shoe, man. It's a dope shoe. This one retail, I can't remember, like 110. I think this one was 110, which you would think it would have been as the same amount as this, but I guess because this PG 2.5 actually has like some quilted material here, I guess that's why it was a little bit more for the PG. And then last but not least, which is something your boy was trying to get. I did a video talking about this when I first seen images of this when Kyrie did his sneaker shopping. Then they put Sneaker News had put some images of it, and we're gonna talk about it, man. Without further ado, it's right here, man. The IKET concept Nike collab shoe right here, the Kyrie 5. Very, very dope shoe, man. The bottom just even feels different. I love if you guys can see that, the bottom has like a reflection. It's like almost like a hologram type feel to it. It's a purple gloss, and I don't know, it shimmers in the light. We're gonna do some up close and personals on all these bad boys on feet also, so you guys can see what they look like. And just let me know what you guys think about these shoes. Yes, they do have a lot of Egyptian symbolism, which is something Kyrie's really into, as you guys can see on the back. But the shoe is fire, bro. The shoe is, I'm all over the place. The shoe is fire indeed. 10 out of 10. Nike and concept came with a great shoe. I don't know, man. These are crazy, and I'm glad that they released to the public. I thought it was gonna, well, not to the public, because they did get released to the public, but they were extremely limited. They were released at Concept and at the TD Gardens, which is where Boston plays. They were released out there, which is where you can get the exclusive limited box. These ones came in a regular generic Kyrie 5 box, but I'm not mad because I got the shoe anyway. But I really thought it was going to be like a Boston or an East Coast release, but it came to the West Coast. I got lucky. If you guys did not see the review, I won on the app with like just seconds to go, and they only had 30 pairs, so I lucked up on it, man. I was excited about it. I believe These are just fire, and they definitely are staying with your boy. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below, man. All of these shoes, I need you guys to rank them from 1 to 10, or in this case, what is this? 1 to 5? Wait, what am I tripping? Yeah, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5. 1 to 5. Rate which one you guys like over the other ones. And I don't know, man. Without further ado, I'll just try to give you guys my decision. If I wanted to rank it, I would go with the PlayStations over Pendletons. I'll show you. I'll put these Paul Georges over these Paul Georges, right? The PlayStations over the Pendletons. I would put, well, there's no other PE Kyrie 4. But out of these 3 Kyries, that's really hard. Let me know what you guys would do out of these 3 Kyries. How would you guys rank them? Because they're all fire. 4 and 5, they're all fire. I'm leaning towards saying this is my, I don't know, I really like the tacos though. I'm torn. I need your help. Let me know what you guys would rank these 3 and rank them all, of course. Without further ado, let's get to the highlights. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you are having a great end of year 2018. We're about to head into 2019, killing it, you know, on our way to 10K subs ASAP, because we're trying to get to like 50 or 60K by the end of the year. My grind is not going to stop. I'm going to stay consistent. Hopefully you guys are liking what I'm doing. Tell a friend and tell a friend. We can reach more people, and just respect the grind, you feel me? Thank you for all your support. The live streams are coming back, giveaways, all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Let's get to the highlights of these shoes and the on feet. Peace.
The hottest mixtapes in the streets.
Yeah, I need more. So I work all day. I feel like the transporters who be moving the yay. I need more.